Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have really cool Spectre fiber dashboard and door trims replacement for Tesla Model 3 to share with you. These are really high quality door trims and dashboard replacement from Fusion Motorsports. Fusion Motorsports is actually a company based right here in Southern California. So today I'll show you what comes in the box and the closer look of the quality of this Spectre fiber door trims and dashboard, and then I'll show you a quick installation. Should be really simple and easy to install, and I'll show you the overall look how these look in my Tesla Model 3. Now let's go. Right, so these came in the box of Spectre fiber dashboard and door trim replacement from Fusion Motorsports. Wow, as you can see earlier, the quality is unbelievable. This is probably the best carbon fiber and Spectre fiber. This is new to me in the market so far. So this is the whole replacement. This is not the covers on your interior trim. This is, you have to replace it, and you see how the build quality is top notch. And I love this Spectre fiber look. I tried to do some research on Spectre fiber. It's basically really similar to carbon fiber materials, really lightweight, really durable, but it creates this special texture that's really similar to carbon fiber but lighter, and it has that sparkle like diamonds on this Spectre fiber. I got the whole package with dashboard and door trims. This is from Tesla Model 3. I have 2021 Model 3, so it has these two door trims on the side door, and also came with a plastic removal tool, these two tools, and a plastic squeegee. Alright, now we see everything that came in the box. Let's go and install it in my Tesla Model 3. I got these Spectre fiber dashboard and door trim set from Fusion Motorsports right here in Southern California. They also have these really cool Spectre fiber steering wheels. As you can see here, if you are interested, you can use my special discount code DADTC for extra $50 off. And they also have this rebate program which you can send them back your OEM dashboard and door trim, and they will provide the shipping labels for you, so you don't have to pay shipping to send back to them. You will get $100 rebate on the dashboard and $50 rebate on the door trims. Alright, now let's go and install it in my Tesla Model 3. Okay, let's start from removing the door trim first. This is probably the hardest part compared to the dashboard. This one is harder to remove. Installing is really easy, so removing part is hard. So I have these from them, and I tested it. It didn't work really well, so I decided to use a trim removal tools that I got from Amazon. This is really good because it's not too hard of the material, so it doesn't damage anything on the door trims. And also this one, they actually sent me this one earlier with the previous door trim replacement, so I'll use this one. This is more flexible than the other one, so it's easier to get it in on the top part right here. So basically you need first you need to try to get this squeegee in on the top part. You can hear the sound. It start to create the space there. I removed this before, so mine might be easier than yours. See, now it pops. So when it pops, it pops out a little right there. So use this. Mine's already coming out. But if yours don't come out, use the trim removal, this one, and then slide it in when it creates a space, and then twist, then it should pops out. So when it pops out, don't remove it directly outward. Pop it out and then slide it out this way, like 45-degree angle. As you can see here, there's a locking clip right here, because if you pop out straight, you might break this part. So move it out and then slide it out, and that's it. Really simple. So as long as you can get this part inside the top part right here to create a space, so you can twist this tool to pop it open, and that's it. So it was locked in with these metal clips right here. As you can see, these clips. So there's no screws at all. So that's it. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Okay, same thing here. Try to put the squeegee on the top part, create the space. Make sure one hand on here in case it just pop right out. Put these tools in right there. Okay, and then twist. There you go. You heard the pop. Make sure you have your hand on this so it doesn't like fall down and damage your door trim. And just slide out. Like so. That's it. Let's remove the dashboard. So first we need to remove this part right here. First, just use the trim removal tool again. That's the same tool to help. And then just use your hand to pop it open. Just 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, and do the same thing on the driver's side. So that panel that we just removed is basically locking this dashboard to the bottom part. So now it's out of the way. You basically can just remove the dashboard, just pop it open like so, you can see. And then same thing on the other side, just do it slowly just to make sure you don't break anything. Same thing here, just pop it up. There you go. Then the whole piece should just come out. Now you can just remove the whole thing and then replace it with the new one. Okay, so now just replace it with a Spectre fiber dashboard. Wow, looks really cool. Right, so basically the same thing. Get this part in first, like so. Same thing on the other side. Make sure it's all matches. Alright, so now just pop it in. Yeah, you'll hear the click there. Same thing on the driver's side, just pop it right in. Don't like slam it, just press it down. And that's it, done. So driver's side, just put this panel back on. Make sure it's locked, everything in place. It's locked on this side too. That's it. So the dashboard's done. Wow, really cool. The white interior with that Spectre fiber dashboard is so cool. It's matching really nicely. All right, let's put the door trims on and we'll see at the end how they look. Let's start with the driver's side door trim first. The same way that we took it out. Slide it in first, this way, in, and then you will need a little push. That's it, done. So that's it, the installation is done. It's really simple installation. The hard part is uninstalling and remove the door trim. So if you figure out the way to remove the door trims, the rest should be a piece of cake. It's really easy to install and uninstall. Alright, so let me show you overall looks in my Tesla Model 3. Wow, this is probably the best looking interior trims for Tesla, period. Like for Model 3, they have both for Model 3 and Model Y, especially with the white interior that I have. This is actually the white seat covers covering the black seat, but it still looks really good with this Spectre fiber trim from Fusion Motorsports. They were here in Southern California. They were made in Southern California with a really high quality product, as you can see in the video. Make sure to put the link of this trim in the description down below and special discount code for you. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and let me know in the comment down below what you think about this interior trim. Don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this, and check out the merch just right below this video. See you on the next video. Peace.